My car loves it too. First, I'm painting the canvas to give Toby's creation a prettier background. I went for white colorful stripes in blue, green, yellow and pink. This looks so cute, so let's see how Toby finishes our piece of art. Place the canvas on the ground and put a large balloon filled with puffy paint beside it. Before driving over the balloon, I also made little holes and I'm so excited to see how this DIY turns out. I love it! This was so fun to watch! But I want to have another black splatter on the other side, so I'm flipping the canvas and let's repeat the step. Oh, this one was way less spectacular than the previous one, but that's okay. I still like our creation overall. When puffy paint dries, it also spreads quite a bit, which I love. And of course the texture still remains 3D, puffy and foamy, which I adore.
I feel like something is missing here, but I do like the texture. That's great. Well done.
When I was a kid, I loved making little drawings with chalk on the sidewalk in front of my block. I decided to place lots of chalk pieces on the ground and this time I made a chevron shape or letter M. Come on Toby, make us proud this time! I guess we have to remove the chalk pieces to see Toby's creation, so this leaf blower will come really handy. Ooh, check this out! We got a really nice print on the road. So cool! And of course we could make different patterns too. As far as I'm concerned, my car knows how to work that chalk pretty well, but who knows what the teacher thinks? Let's find out!
So, how would you score this masterpiece?
Masterpiece? Let's be real. This is nonsense.
It's chevron pattern, come on!
Psst.
Oh, the teacher is so strict today, I can't take it. Now we're gonna show her for real that my car is in fact an amazing artist. Squeeze some paint on a white canvas. You can make dots of different colors, stripes like me, or other fun designs. Let's press that gas pedal, grab the steering wheel, and hopefully create something epic. That's so cool, right? Since my car's tire was all colored up from the paint, I decided to drive over another blank canvas, which gave us a quick bonus DIY creation. You could even drive over the canvas again and make the painting more full, but I actually love the minimalist style of this one. Now let's check out the main result of this car DIY attempt. I don't care what teacher will say, but this is just perfect to me. I could definitely use it as a wall art in my room. I'm completely obsessed with the tire print and the colors blended together so nicely. Now, Miss Teacher, do you approve Toby as an artist?
Well, I have to admit, it's quite alright. Yep, I'll give it a solid 7.
7? That's at least a 9. It's amazing.
What? Who's the teacher here?
You, miss.
That's what I thought. It's a 7.
Who's ready for a fun splatter wall art design? Me and my car definitely are, so let's do it. Toby's gonna drive over the acrylic paint tubes and fingers crossed something fantastic comes out of it. Oh my goodness, what a mess! The painting turned out very cool, but we also got a makeover of the road, protective background, and even my car. And check out Toby's epic new tire. Now he's a real DIY car. But I love the splatter design that we've created. A true paint explosion. I wish more yellow paint would end up on the canvas, but oh well, we can't be too picky when DIYing with the car, right? I hope the teacher gives Toby a 10 for this one, because he really did a great job.
It's a beautiful painting, right, miss?
Well, wish it was more central, but not bad. It is pretty interesting.
Oh, a 9? No? Do you want me to change my mind? No. 8 is great.
I thought so.
Have you ever tried painting with a giant sponge? Me neither, but today Toby and I will try it out. I'm placing a large sponge on a tray and the idea is to soak it with as much paint as possible. I made a mixture of acrylic paint and water in variety of different colors. We need our sponge to soak up lots and lots of these diluted acrylics. I want the end result to be fun and colorful. That's why I'm pouring paint on the sponge in a colored stripe pattern. This looks great to me, so Toby, it's your turn. So excited to see what happens when we drive over the paint-filled sponge. Whoa, that was impressive! Let's drive over one more time. Cool, we got this lovely marble effect. And this is a pretty decent abstract painting if you ask me. And I especially love the creativity of this idea with diluted paints and a giant sponge. So 2 thumbs up from me, but let's see what the teacher says.
I mean, the idea is nice, but these colors are so muddy. What? That's not fair! Enough! It's a 6.
Oh, I think we deserved a lot more than a 6. But Toby and I have an idea how to avoid the colors to mix up so much and get that brownish tint that Miss Teacher dislikes. This time we're using small kitchen sponges and we've soaked it in one solid color each. Whoa, this was so interesting to watch. The colors didn't mix up as much this time, so we got a much more vibrant result. We still have the cute marble effect, but since sponges were placed further apart, we can clearly see all the different colors. I like it a lot and hope the teacher will too. But first, I gotta clean up the ground before my mom sees it. Ooh, how pretty! That's good enough. Let's run to school and show our masterpiece to the teacher.
What do you think now, miss? It's better, I must admit, but I need more. What's more? It's something special. You need to feel it, and I don't feel this one. This should be at least a 9. Do not argue.